Most kids love Holi because of all the colors and fun. But Neil? He had a Holi he wished he could forget.
All because of money. This is Neil. On Holi morning, his parents gave him 1,000 Indian rupees. Use it wisely, they said, and Neil thought,
Wow, I'm rich today.
Bro, look at that mega color pack. You have to get it.
Neil didn't think, he just spent 600 rupees on the biggest color packet, 250 rupees on the coolest pitchkari, 150 rupees on water balloons. It felt amazing for a while, and then it was gone. 0 rupees left. No backup. No plan.
Let's buy more colors for the evening round. Let's get ice cream too.
Everyone had plans, more colors, ice cream, extra fun. But Neil, he had 2 million. He tried to smile, but inside, he felt left out, stuck, and a little angry at himself. Have you ever spent all your money too fast, and then wished you hadn't? Tough Holi, huh?
I thought I'd have the best day, but I finished all my money in the morning.
You didn't plan your money, Neil. You spent everything at once and left nothing for later.
Next time, try this. 1. Spend some now. 2. Save some for later. 3. Keep some just in case. Let's imagine next Holi. You still get 1,000 rupees. But this time, you make a plan.
This time, I'll use 500 rupees in the morning, 200 rupees for afternoon treats, 200 rupees for evening fun, and I'll keep 100 rupees safe. Just in case.
Same 1,000 rupees. But this time the fun lasted the whole day. If you get money for a festival, birthday, or trip for a husband, remember Neil's Holi. Spend some now, save some for later, and keep a little as backup. To all the parents watching, ask your child, if you had 1,000 rupees for the next festival, how would you divide it? If you like Neil's story and want more money adventures, hit subscribe and share this with another parent. Let's raise money-smart kids, one story at a time. Happy Holi!